So today I'm going to be going over my no makeup routine without foundation. So if you want to see how that goes, then keep on watching. All right, guys, so as you can see, I did one eye off camera. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the right eye. I have already primed it, and I use the Simply Beautiful Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Fairlight. Next, I will be going in with the You Can Be Living Coral palette, and I will be using the shades Brown Sugar and Desert Sand. Now that the shadow is all set and blended, I'm going to be going in with the Hard Candy Popping Pigments Glitter Stay Primer. Now that the primer is down, I will be going in with the Sugar Case Loose Glitter in the shade Bahama Sunset. Okay, now that the glitter is set, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Hunting. I said Desert Sand earlier, but that's the darker brown. It's really the shade Hunting, and I'm gonna just deepen in that outer corner. Next, I will be going in with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the shade Fresh. Next, I'm going to go in with the Trendy in Tokyo palette by BH Cosmetics, and I will be using the shade Bamboo for the lower lash line. Now that that's done, next I will go in with my brow soap and the Wet n Wild setting spray, and I just spray the soap a couple of times, and I grab my spoolie, and then I go to town. Once I'm done with that, I go in with the brow bar, and I use the little black pout, the little brush, the middle shade, and fill in my gaps. Now for the no foundation part. So I've already moisturized and washed my face and all that stuff. So I go in with Pink Beauty Organic Skincare Hemp and Apricot Shimmering Face and Bodies Cream. I like using this because one, it's a very good moisturizing cream, but the shimmer gives me that light, subtle glow that I like to have. My face is still a little red. I did my face cupping this morning. Another great thing about this cream is that it also has SPF in it. And on hot summer days, foundation is not my favorite thing to wear, so I choose to go the other route. But I still add other stuff. Next up is the Sugar Case Mineral Blush in the shade Shy Girl. Vitamin E Stick by the Sugar Case to prime my lips. I'll let that settle in for a second, and then I will move on to bronzer. I will be going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. And of course, my look will not be complete without any highlight. So I will be using the BH Cosmetics Illuminating in Ireland Highlighter Palette, the shade Charmed. It's absolutely stunning. Ooh, you see that? Next is the ColourPop Cosmetics Lippy Liner in the shade Absolute Zero. And last but not least, the Sugar Case Lip Gloss in the shade Rich Girl. I almost forgot mascara. I'll be going in with this Black Lash Primer by the brand Blink. I got this in my BoxyCharm. I really like it because it's black, and sometimes you could just wear it alone. Petite and Pretty mascara. And lastly, I will be going in with the Wet n Wild Jungle Rock setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did creating it. Thank you for tuning in. If you would like to see more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Adios.